How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and today it's a Saturday, nice day, about 80-some degrees, the weather report. But anyways, got a truck meet tonight over at the island in Pigeon Forge at the parking lot, so I'm heading over there tonight later on. But right now, we're gonna get the truck a little sprayed down and stuff. What sucks is my schedule is so busy now lately that I don't have time to actually fully detail it like I usually do. And it's awful, but you know, you gotta make do what you gotta make do with. But anyways, truck meet tonight, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with that. So we'll see what the rest of the day goes. This is gonna be a great day. I cannot wait to go to this truck meet tonight. We are at the wash bay, gonna get the truck washed up, and we have a K1500 over there, as you can see, towing a RZR on a trailer. So they can tow stuff, unlike some people think. I don't know why. But we got a wash bay that just opened up, so we're gonna go right in there. As you can see, guys, the truck is now clean-ish, kind of. Got most of this dirt and stuff off of it. Debris off of it, stuff like that. I love having a clean truck, but it's such a hard thing to do to keep a clean truck, especially now running these 12 wides. If y'all don't know, which I'm sure y'all pretty much do, but for the people that don't know, every time when you're running 12 wides, it slings everything up through here and up onto here. On the back, up like over here, especially when it rains out and stuff. But no, the truck looks really good right now. Again, huge shout out to my sponsor, Harper Tire, hooking me up with wheels and tires about 3 months ago. Running about 4 months or so. Hit them up, guys, if you want to ask for quotes and deals on wheels and tires. They can price match whatever you want, stuff like that, guys, so hit them up definitely. I just found a new spot to take truck pictures, truck reviews, stuff like that. How you guys liking this? It's in a warehouse they just built, but they're not using it. It's just abandoned. And no, these burnouts are not from me. For anybody like that, they were here when I got here. Trust me, she can do a burnout, but I don't want to stress her out that much. Anyways, but yeah, this is a great spot to do some truck reviews, truck pictures with the guys, with the boys. Saturdays are for the boys, yeah. And but yeah, what do you guys think of this? This is a really cool area I just found near my house, so definitely gonna come back here for some more stuff. We got a convoy behind us. Oh, okay. We're all just passing each other now. Cummins, Duramax. Update on our current status. We are still a pretty good amount of trucks deep. We're still trying to get into the island because no one knows how to drive on these roads, apparently out of state.
There's a dog.
This is a service dog. We got everyone back there. Tyler's trying to take an Instagram snap right now. We're starting to make progress, boys. We're starting to make progress. hate you. This is the perfect picture of you in the sunset right now. If you want to pronounce your love to me, you can now. No? Okay. Never mind.
Bug beat up.
Oh!
Yeah. You see that piece right there, bro? Oh yeah. And your tires bent, bro.
Oh. Gonna be the Q&A portion of the vlog. If you want to be part of the next Q&A, make sure you follow me on Instagram at trucks_and_water. I do this about once or twice a month depending, and what I do is I post a picture of my truck. Within the picture it says Q&A, and you write your comments down below and I'll answer them. If there's any questions through these comments that are the same, I'm just gonna, or the same one, I'm gonna say as I said before, but I will still shout out your name. Cars.bruh, I know it's your build and all, but why the ugly eBay push bar, man? Back when I first got the truck, I wanted somewhere to mount the light bar and a light bar at, so I got the push bar or bull bar, whichever you want to call it, and it worked at the time, but now it's kind of faded on me. I don't like it as much, so that will be changing soon. When will you have another truck meet? Logan Cross 3030. I'm not 100% sure when I'm going to do another truck meet. I might be teaming up with some other Instagram pages around the East Tennessee area to do that. But me personally, I'm kind of getting out of it due to some reasons. But who knows? Maybe I'll do one by the end of summer or something. Ricky_Weddle. What kind of car/truck does your girlfriend drive, and will she do a truck build like you're doing? By the way, love your videos. Keep up what you're doing. Thank you, man, for support. I really appreciate it. My girlfriend actually drives a 2012, I believe, Nissan Sentra, but she does want to have a Jeep, like a four-door Wrangler, so maybe it'll be a Jeep build in the future. But she does love trucks. It's just that she likes the Jeep Wrangler a little bit more, which is fine. I mean, we all have different build tastes and stuff like that. Johnny Schumer, why did the chicken cross the road? Probably to get to the other side, Johnny, or get to your Chick-fil-A so you can feed your habit. Soccer 13, buddy, when are you going to get rock lights, underglow, and tint? Rock lights are coming soon. Underglow I am not doing, and the window tint will be done when I replace the windshield because my windshield's cracked. That lifted GMC04. How do you keep it so clean? I lose motivation too easily. Honestly, I've always been this way. Even on other stuff, I'm very OCD. My girlfriend will say this, OCD about a lot of things, and I like keeping things clean. Right now, she's dirty, though, so I don't have time. But when I have time, I just go out there, do a quick clean and stuff. To do a proper detail on this truck, it takes me between 5 and 6 hours to do. But most time, I can get a good wash in about 3 to 4. Yeah, that's basically my answer, is just keep it clean. If you keep it clean constantly, it's a lot easier to clean, if that makes sense. Brandon Poser, are you going to remove the push bar? Sexy truck man, thank you for the support, man. I appreciate it, and yes, that will be removed. Backwoods Boy 15, next mod for your truck. I have actually the mod sitting at the house right now, so I'm not going to reveal the name of it, but after these sets of mods go on the truck, it'll be rock lights. Do you plan on getting any parts color match? Love the truck and videos, keep up the great work. Asa_Lawrence13. Yes, when I do the new front grille is going to be color matched. The front bumper might be color matched, and I might color match, get a new front or rear bumper and color match that too. _GreatRight Z71, when are you coming to Kentucky, Pumpkin? I'm hoping to come to Kentucky here in a little bit for a show. There's that Somerset cruise-in I might be going to, so that'd be a lot of fun to go up to that. Mark_ODM, when are you going to do an exhaust? On this 350, will not get an exhaust. I hate the way they sound. They don't sound good to me. I just don't like the way they sound. So there will be no exhaust on this 350. Now when I do the motor swap, that's going to be a different story. OBS_Chevy_Life32. When are you going to get a tow rig, and are you going to do any mods to it? Tow rig? Okay, I've been thinking about this, talking to my parents, my girlfriend, stuff like that on this. my plan for a tow rig is I really don't want to get one unless of one of two things. One, it's a newer style diesel. It's like a 2014 and up, F250, F350, Ram 25 or 3500, or a Chevy Silverado 25 or 3500. Of course, we're going to be the Laramie. The Ford would be a Lariat or a Platinum or a King Ranch, and then the Silverado will be like an LTZ pack. The reason why I say that is I want to make sure it's very reliable, it's a daily driver, and I want to be very comfortable, because when I get a tow rig, I'm going to try to hopefully start traveling a lot more than I am now. That's the goal with it, and I want to be able to have something comfortable in it. Now, that being said, though, if I can find a lower mileage, older style diesel, that would be great, but I want it kind of the same setup as this truck right here. Has a record list this long, grandpa owned, never been used as a truck. And that's very, very hard to find in the diesel world now, especially people that price them outrageously. I'm sorry, your second-gen Cummins with like 90,000 miles on it is not worth $30,000. It's just not. Kind of a joke, but it's also kind of true. But I am looking at the 2500 class. I wouldn't mind a 3500 single rear wheel, but a 3500 dual wheel would be way too impractical for me. But that's kind of the thing on the tow rig, and I'm taking my time with it, guys. I'm not going to rush into anything. I'm going to look at everything. That's the way I am. I don't want to rush into something that has someone else's problem, if that makes sense. Now, it could be a month now that I have a tow rig. It could be 6 months to a year to have a tow rig. It could be a year and a half. I don't know. But I just don't want to rush anything. Never finish underscore OBS. Have you ever considered the smoothie chrome bumpers for your truck, like the ones that come on the work trucks? I have. I just want to make sure I get a reputable brand that makes it, because of the fact that I've seen some of them that come from like an off-brand whatever, and they look like crap. They rust and stuff like that. So I want to make sure it's a good brand. But I have looked into that, and they look really good. Garrett underscore McLean. When are you going to buy a Ford, brother? You know you have to answer that one. Oh, man. Here's my thing on Ford diesels. Well, let me put it to you like this. Every diesel manufacturer, or every, like, Cummins, Duramax, Powerstroke, has their issues. There's no way around it. There's not technically one better than the other. It's just everyone has their issues. That being said, I love the Ford 7.3s and the 6.7s because of the 7.3's reliability and the 6.7's reliability. Even though they some years had turbo and trans issues, in general, the 6.7's are very, very, very good truck. The 6.0's, if you bulletproof them right and you treat them right, they are fantastic trucks. If you mistreat them and you buy someone that has mistreated their truck without doing the proper bulletproofing and stuff, it's just not going to work out, and you need to be able to do that. Now, also, that being said, the 6.4s, I love 6.4s. Kind of the same deal with the 6.0s, though, where it just doesn't work in their favor because of the fact that you need a bulletproof rifle and you need to treat them right. Other than that, though, I would not mind buying a 6.0. Evan underscore Ming, do you only post trucks? Do you do SUVs that have an exception if they are clean built? Only trucks, man. I'm sorry, that's just what I do. I don't do SUVs really. Maybe I'll grow with that in the future, but not now. Thank you all so much for watching this video and this vlog. If you liked the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. All of you, have a great day, and remember, never give up on your dreams.